Hey guys, it's Maymay, and I'm so excited to be bringing you our November 2022 Stamp of the Month Club set. This is our original club that ships out on the 6th of the month, and today is reveal day. Now, I'm very excited about this set because this one has been requested probably since we started doing this. This is one of those that I struggled making because I felt like kind of a lot of people do this kind of stamp, and I wanted it to be me. And sometimes it's hard to do that. Sometimes it's hard to put your own twist on something like this. You'll see what I mean when I show you, but I'm really excited about it. Now, if you're not a member of our stamp club, what you waiting on? The information is in the description below. This is a really fun club every month, first of the month or middle of the month, depending on which club you join. You get a mystery stamp set sent to you. I'm loving subscription boxes lately. I don't know. I've gotten back into it, and this is kind of a subscription situation where you don't know what you're going to get until the day of reveal. And today is that day we're going to reveal. Are you ready for this? I think it's great. This is called Winter Peace. Now, you can see what I mean. A lot of people do birds or cardinal sets, right? And I've waited a long time to do it because I wasn't really sure how to make it mine, but I think Sylvia did such a good job on this one. Let me show you what I think she did that made it a little different. Number one, I got 3 great poses of some large birds. I'm really loving large images right now. And these guys, we've got them facing in different directions so you can have them face each other, etc. I just think she did such a good job. And we were so picky. We were even picky about the placement of each one of the little feathers and how they laid out, even the way their little feet were done. And I just think she nailed it on this one. I think Sylvia did such a good job getting my vision down onto this set. The other thing I love is this little wreath. I've wanted a wreath like this for a long time, but I didn't want to do a whole set just around the wreath, and putting these two together really works for me. You'll see it in samples, but it really works. I love the little wreath. You can use it in so many different ways, and then all the little pieces that go with it. I love the style that they are. They're not your traditional just, you know, leaves or leaf shape. We really pushed the envelope on these to try to make them a little different, and they're so pretty. Wait till you see them in the samples. We got a little limb. Of course, you can't have a bird without a little limb, and the word peace just goes with cardinals, right? I just think it does. We added some snowflakes, so this could be a winter set, but it doesn't have to be. Birds are all year long, right? And then the sentiment at the bottom says, may peace surround you always. I just love it. I can't wait to show you my samples. Now, I say my samples because I'm alone today. It's just me doing samples, so I hope you're going to enjoy these. I really enjoyed making them. I think they turned out really pretty. Now, I will tell you, I leaned into some plaid on this whole sample set, so here we go. Look at this one. The first one is our little bird on the branch inside of a Dress My Craft oval die shape. And then these little pieces, instead of stamping them onto the oval, what I did was I stamped them onto white cardstock and fussy cut them so that I could tuck them in where I wanted them, and I didn't have to do a lot of pre-planning. Basically, I built the card with the little bird and then just added these after the fact. And then I want to show you. This cuts out a pretty plaid oval from the inside of this when you cut it from your page. So I didn't want to waste it. So I put it on the inside. I love how this looks on the inside. Got some little smudge on my card, but I love this on the inside. And then I just added another little circle that you could put a sentiment or stamp or what have you in here. I thought that was kind of neat, something different. And just wanted to show you how that one worked. I love how this one turned out. Love the little stitching on that die set. Let me show which one that is. That die is called Double Stitched Oval, and I really like how that one turned out. One cool thing is when you use this die, you get stitching on both ovals. I like that. I got stitching here, and then I also get stitching on these guys. So, super cool. Sample number 1. Sample number 2, I don't know what's up with me in pinks and greens lately. I do not know, but they've kind of gotten me, and I wanted to show you how you could use this set without the bird in case you wanted to use just the wreath on something. So I used the wreath as a focal point. These are all images from the set that I stamped in different colors. So I played with some pastels and some light greens, and when the ribbon moves, you can see there's some more green under there. Then these are the pine cones from the set, stamped in brown on pink, and then fussy cut so they kind of blend into the back. I really wanted it to be soft and peaceful. You see what I'm saying? Then, of course, a baker's twine bow. And these little guys are those little Hero Arts clear dots that really add a sparkle. When I did it, I was like, I want this to have sparkle, but I don't want the whatever I add to take away from the soft peacefulness of the card, and those worked so well. So there's sample number 2. Now, number 3 was a wild card for me. I went a little wacky here, okay? Look, I wanted a plaid bird. I just thought that would be so cute to make this little plaid little cardinal. And I want to show you what I did. I made sure his eye lined up on that yellow mark. I'm not sure if it did what I wanted it to do. I think I might have liked it better if I had twisted him and gotten it to be more of a, like an X around his eye. I'm not really sure, but I love how he turned out. I think he's super cute. Lots of layers. I'm not a person who typically does this kind of focal pointy situation, but it just worked for him. I felt like he needed to be the star of the show, and this kind of lifted him to that point. So you see here, we've got their sentiment here. Our little branches behind, our little foliage behind, I just stamped those. That's all one layer behind him. Matter of fact, if you took him off, it's just a one layer card with here stamped, but I used some color pencils in here to do something different because I did markers on the other one, and then I lifted him up so he's lifted, and then I just found some pages that I thought looked good, cut some rectangles to go behind him, and I love how he turned out. He is one of my faves. I love the plaid bird. I think that's really cute. You can also see that I used a lot from the tartan pack. This is the tartan paper pack. Let me show you that one. This guy right here, love this. I went crazy with him. And I hope you guys love him as much as I do. I think he really does fit in with our Maymay stamp so well. I think he will work with so many different things that we have already, you already have in your collection. And I love this wreath, how we'll be able to use it with him or stand alone. So there you go. That is your November 2022 Stamp Club set. I'm so excited to have you as part of the Stamp Club. We have fun coming up with something new and different all the time. We try to come up with something new and different, I should say. I feel like we put our touch on everything for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as we do. Now, as every month or every reveal, we have a giveaway. If you would like to enter our giveaway, all you got to do is make a project using the stamp set, post a picture of it over on our customer gallery at MaymayMadeIt.com, and you are entered to win a $50 gift card, which we give away randomly. It's not based on your artwork. It's just a random draw for those that are entered. And the winner for last month will be in the top line of the description below this video. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoy this one as much as we do. I'll move him so you can see the samples. But I just love him, and I can't wait to see what you guys do with him. So till next time, bye now.